Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So let us begin with the daily current affairs for 17 July 2026. So the first question is, in the National Awards for E-Governance 2026, which initiative of the Indian Council of Medical Research got the Gold Award? Options are Medical Innovations Patent Mitra, ICMR E-Sanjeevani, ICMR One Health Mission, or ICMR Minds. So the answer is ICMR Minds. Next question. Name the mascot for the Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship 2026. Options are Molly, Savage, Mayur, or Amu. So the answer is Mayur. Next question. Of which river is Panchganga River a tributary? Options are Tungabhadra, Pennar, Krishna, or Periyar. So the answer is Krishna. Next question. Under which article of the Constitution the Ministry of Home Affairs has proposed a unique customized model of self-governance for Ladakh? Options are Article 370, Article 371, Article 372, or Article 373. So the answer is Article 371. Next question. In which region impatiens species were recently discovered? Options are Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Chota Nagpur Plateau, or none of these. So the answer is Western Ghats. Next question. At which place the Divya Kala Mela took place? Options are Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, or Kolkata. So the answer is Kolkata. Next question. Under which ministry Manas, the National Narcotics Helpline functions? Options are Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, or none of these. So the answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question. Leprosy has been declared a notifiable disease in options are Meghalaya, Mizoram, J&K, or Jharkhand. So the answer is J&K. Next question. Indian grey hornbill was spotted again after 60 years in. Options are Hemis National Park, Ladakh, Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal, Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, or Gir National Park, Gujarat. So the answer is Gir National Park, Gujarat. Next question. Bohar, the world's first commercial nuclear-powered satellite, was launched in space by which company? Options are ISRO, or Rocket Lab, SpaceX, or Blue Origin. So the answer is SpaceX. Next question. 15th BRICS Trade Union Forum Summit 2026 took place in. Options are Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, or none of these. So the answer is Hyderabad. Next question. Digital Threat Report 2025-26 focuses on strengthening cyber security in. Options are telecom and space sector, health and pharma sector, banking, finance, insurance and payment sector, or none of these. So the answer is banking, finance, insurance and payment sector. Next question. Where is Abhatahayeshwara temple located? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, or none of these. So the answer is Tamil Nadu. Received the UNESCO Asia Pacific Award of Distinction for 2024 for outstanding heritage conservation. Next question. The fifth meeting of BIMSTEC National Security Chiefs will take place in. Options are Udaipur, New Delhi, Mysuru, or Vishakhapatnam. So the answer is New Delhi. Next question. The, the 60th Gyanpith Award was given to. Options are Neelamani Fukan, Vera Muthu, Damodar Mauzo, or Krishna Sopti. So the answer is Vera Muthu. Thank you, friends. That is all for today. See you soon with another lecture. Till then, bye and take care.